Hello students, question number 5th of exercise 6.1 class 9th maths is POQ is a line, as this one POQ is a line and ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ and OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Then prove that angle ROS equal to half angle QS minus angle POS. This one we have to prove. Now how we'll solve it? First of all, angle ROS, this one angle from left hand side, we will take this one angle is equal to this all angle is ROP, and which is left, which angle is left? This one, POS is left, minus POS means ROS equal to angle ROP minus angle POS. This we will write it equation first, and similarly from right side we will take angle ROS equal to this all angle which one? QOS minus angle QOR. This will be equation second. Then adding first and second we get ROS plus ROS equal to 2 into angle ROS. This is equal to angle ROP minus angle POS plus angle ROS minus angle QOR. Now this one angle ROQ is equal to angle ROP because both are of 90 degree. Therefore, these angles both ROP and QOR will be cancelled. And on this side we have to write reason that why we have cancelled these angles. Then what is left? This is equal to angle QS minus angle POS. Now what is the value of angle ROS? This is equal to 2 on this side will be half angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved. Then question number 6 is, it is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree and XY is produced point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflex of Q by P. How we will solve this? First of all, we will take angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle Q by P equal to 180 degree, because this all angle is straight angles and straight angle is of 180 degree. Now what we will write here, this is 64 degree given and these both angles will be same. Why same? Because YQ bisects Z by P. If it bisects, it means that these both angle will be same. Then I have written here angle A and here also angle A. Then we will put here values 64 degree plus A equal to 180 degree. Now A plus A equal to 2A. Therefore, we get 2A 64 plus 2A equal to 180 degree. Therefore, value of 2A equal to 180 minus 64 equal to 116. Then we get value of A equal to 116 over 2 equal to 58 degree. 58 degree. This implies this one angle, which one we asked in the question, Q by P. Q by P is equal to 58 degree. Now we have to find out the reflex of angle Q by P. And reflex of angle Q by P equal to 360 degree minus 58 degree. This is equal to 302 degree. Then and which one is left? X by Q is left. Angle X by Q. This is equal to 64 plus 58. 64 plus 58 equal to 122 degree. Okay, thank you students. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.